Welcome to this tutorial on how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Merging cells is a useful feature that allows you to combine two or more cells into a single cell, making it easier to format and organize your data. To start, open your Google Sheet and select the cells you want to merge. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells. Once you have selected the cells, go to the toolbar and click on the Format tab. In the Format tab, hover over the Merge Cells option and select the type of merge you want to perform. You can choose to merge all cells, merge horizontally, or merge vertically. If you want to merge all cells, select the Merge All option. If you want to merge cells in a row, select the Merge Horizontally option. If you want to merge cells in a column, select the Merge Vertically option. Once you have selected the type of merge, Google Sheets will merge the cells and create a new cell that spans the selected area. You can then enter your data into the new merged cell. It is worth noting that when you merge cells, the data from the top left cell is retained and any data in the other cells is lost, so make sure to select the cells carefully and enter the data in the correct cell before merging. In addition to merging cells, you can also unmerge cells. To do this, select the merged cell and go to the Format tab. Hover over the Merge Cells option and select the Unmerge option. This will split the merged cell back into individual cells. Best practices for merging cells include using this feature sparingly and only when necessary. Merging too many cells can make your data difficult to read and analyze. It is also a good idea to use merged cells to create headers or titles, rather than to combine data. In conclusion, merging cells in Google Sheets is a useful feature that can help you format and organize your data. By following these steps and using this feature judiciously, you can create clear and easy to read spreadsheets that effectively communicate your data.